Hey everyone, welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations. My name is V. In today's video, I'm going to use another gray and it is from the palette, the Warrior 3 by Juvia's Place. This palette, and it has a gray in here, and I will add this green so I can create something with that gray. For my base today, I have on the Fenty Press Powder Foundation in 420. My bronzer contour is from the One Size, and it is the trio. I use these two colors today. Grays are colors that are not used often, at least I don't see it used often, but it can enhance any eye look. You can go from the lighter shade of gray to the darker shade of gray, and it will create something different every time. Today's item is I nourish my thoughts with positive affirmations. I nourish my thoughts with positive affirmations. The green is a matte and the gray is a shimmer. I nourish my thoughts with positive affirmations. Affirmations work. Positive affirmations work. When you first start doing it, it seems strange. It's like foreign to you. But the more you do it and override the ego, the better you will feel. We have all had to try something we didn't like. And then the more we worked on it, or the more we do it, it became easier and easier and end up being something we love. So affirmations do work. Practice a couple of them. I practice affirmations every day, sometimes intentionally, and most of the time it just comes naturally because I've been doing it for so long. It actually just, it's like driving the same road all the time, and most times you drive it, and when you get to your destination you realize, oh my god, I'm already there. That is what I'm talking about. So affirmations work. Let me finish this and we will see what the end result is. Today's look. Gray and green, the main attraction. The main shade there is the gray. I am going to use a gray continuously until I use every palette that has a gray in my collection. And if it has more than one gray, I will use that also. I thank you all again for watching. Please remember to share this video. Remember today's item is I nourish my thoughts with positive affirmations. Positive affirmations do work. Action. Take the action and practice, even though it's one affirmation word for today. And every time you remember it during the day, just say it. You will see the difference. It works. I will see you all very, very shortly. And remember, love yourself a little bit each and every day. Self first, self love, self care. Bye.